Well, for days, we've been telling you about how businesses and organizations throughout the area are stepping up to help. But there are also some who are doing it in ways that you might not know about. Ariel Yakabazi live tonight in Southeast Portland. Ariel, tell us more about some of these resources that are flying under the radar.
Yeah, Liz, we're here at Southeast 29th and Southeast Gladstone, and tucked behind a couple of local businesses in an alleyway is the PDX Free Fridge. And this is not just one, there are dozens of them scattered throughout. And it's a place where people are hoping to help others in need, especially during these uncertain times. Imagine having no place to live, nowhere to go, and no idea when your next meal is. It's a reality this young woman has to face.
I haven't been out here that long, so thank God I don't know all the tricks of the trade yet.
We met her as she took a few free items from this PDX Free Fridge in Southeast Portland. She says she uses SNAP, but she doesn't know when she might get money for a hot meal.
I'm homeless, and the free food, I'm gonna cry. The free food, I'm somebody who doesn't shoplift, so stuff like this really keeps us alive out here.
It's stories like hers that inspire people like Elizabeth McPherson to operate these free fridges. They're community run and community stocked.
Whenever I'm having a bad day, I can come, look out at the pantry and see, all of the things that people have brought and are sharing. It's a real tangible reminder of all of the good and the love in the world.
Portland is also known for the little free libraries, where you take a book and leave a book. Some of them are now letting you leave food.
Just stop by, donate a book, put a few items in my cooler here, and I'll make sure that it gets to the people who need the food each week.
Casey Carpenter runs this one in Lake Oswego.
And I'm seeing lots of other people kind of take the same idea, whether it's a little library with a cooler or putting a bin out. People are really recognizing right now that they need to step up and help, and so the awareness is growing.
With the help of Casey and Elizabeth's free food options,
it's been such an uplifting thing to do.
People like the woman we spoke to get the help they need.
I wish I would have got to say thank you to her. I hope someday I can give back too.
And Liz, it's still unclear if users like that woman will be getting their SNAP benefits anytime soon with those latest rulings from 2 federal judges. But meantime, you can really donate anything to these PDX free fridges, like this bag of chips that we had left over from a party in our newsroom earlier today for Halloween. We're just going to put it right here. It's so easy. You just drop it off, and you have tons of different items in here. You've got canned beans and other, non-perishable food items, but you can also drop off perishable food items. We see someone actually made some sandwiches here for folks in need, and there's actually a thank you note. I don't know if you can see it. I'll grab it. It says, "Thank you dearly. Love, starving, cold, and wet." That was just left and dated today. So, a lot of people are really needing the food items that are left here, and it's just a great opportunity for people to get what they need. And a lot of different resources during our story tonight, and you can find links to those on our website at KOIN.com. But for now, reporting live in Southeast Portland tonight, Ariel Yakabazi, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah,
Liz, back to you.
Incredible resource, Ariel. Thank you. So, as she said, there's a list of businesses and restaurants stepping in to help. Well, the list keeps growing. We have that plus places where you can find food or make a donation. While federal workers go without pay and SNAP benefits dry up, the need will only grow. So find that list over at KOIN.com.